Hi, I am Aya. Subscribe Aya Cartoons for more videos.
In a small village in India, where life brims with excitement and wonders, a young, curious girl named Priya discovers an ancient treasure map hidden among the dusty shelves of her family's attic. Intrigued by the possibilities that lie ahead, Priya's mind fills with ideas and dreams of an exciting adventure. She decides to share her journey with her YouTube audience, hoping to inspire them to explore foreign lands and cultures. As Priya embarks on her quest to find the hidden treasure, she realizes that the map is incomplete, missing crucial information that could lead her to her destination. Doubt creeps into her mind, but her determination remains unshaken. Priya seeks the guidance of Mr. Gupta, a respected neighbor known for his wisdom and problem-solving abilities. With a glimmer of hope, she entrusts him with the task of deciphering the mysteries of the incomplete treasure map. Together, Priya and Mr. Gupta delve into the world of hidden clues and riddles, their shared enthusiasm and perseverance driving them forward. They unlock the secrets hidden within the incomplete map and discover a profound revelation. While on their treasure-seeking journey, Priya's heart aches as she stumbles upon a group of helpless, lost puppies in desperate need of care and nourishment. A moral dilemma arises within her, challenging her initial goal. Priya makes a selfless choice, sacrificing her own dream of finding treasure to provide safe harbor for the hungry puppies. She devotes herself to rescuing and caring for them, turning her quest for riches into a journey of compassion and kindness. Priya's YouTube audience witnesses her transformation from a treasure hunter to a compassionate animal rescuer. Her viewers are inspired by her acts of kindness and learn to spread love and help those in need in their own lives. United by a shared desire to make the world a better place, Priya and her YouTube community take action together. They spread kindness far and wide, igniting a ripple effect that cascades beyond borders, inspiring others to embrace foreign cultures while fostering love and empathy.